Hey, so if you're getting a campaign error message in Mailchimp, yeah, like your email won't send, or you keep seeing a warning or failure message, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, don't ignore the error message. Mailchimp usually tells you exactly what's wrong. Next, yeah, make sure your campaign isn't stuck in draft or paused. Only ready campaigns can be sent. Now, check your sender email and domain verification. Unverified emails often trigger errors. Yeah, make sure you've selected a valid audience list. No recipients means the campaign will fail. Now, broken links, large images, or spam-like content can cause errors. Clean your email before sending. Yeah, unstable internet can interrupt sending and trigger error messages. Try a stable connection. Now, corrupted cache can cause system glitches. Clearing it often fixes campaign errors. Yeah, browser extensions or saved data might interfere. Try incognito mode or a different browser. If nothing works, check if Mailchimp is down. Server issues can cause widespread campaign errors. So, yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp campaign error messages. Most of the time, it's setup issues, browser problems, or server delays. Try these steps and your campaign should send without errors. Thanks for watching.